Annyeonghaseyo, Jaika.
안녕하세요, Teacher Jen.
Okay, so Jaika will gonna enter will gonna join the study room because she already memorized the multiplication. Okay, Jaika. So, asa man ka nag-study? Asa ka nag-school?
So,
Asa ka nag-eskwela?
very,
Sa Buaya?
yeah.
Sa Buaya Elementary School. Pila man imong edad? How old are you?
I'm 8 years old,
8 years old. Unsa man ka nga grade?
grade 3.
Grade 3. Okay. So, nganong ganahan man ka mo appeal sa study room? Okay.
I'm happy.
Kaya ganahan ka ma-learn. Kung sa man.
Sa multiplication.
Multiplication o reading English, no? I already talked to your mother, right? You're with your mother. So, your mother also agrees that you will join the study room. Okay, so we already have the blessing, or she already approved that you will gonna enter the study room. So, again, we are not here in study room to receive donation. Okay, we are here because we want to learn reading in English as well as mathematics or arithmetic. Okay, so if you will be given like donation sooner, so that will be a bonus na. Okay, so that is not permanent. Okay, so this time what I'm going to do is I will let you, can you please introduce yourself today first? Sige, you can sit lang.
2 times 1.
Di isa, katuin mo ang introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 일곱 살 초등학교 학년 저희가
Chodohakyo,
초등학교
Samhangyon.
저희가 합니다. 감사합니다.
Kamsamnida Jaika. Okay. So I want you to read a little bit of English.
Samuel he died for a moment about
Visual.
Bishop with our sources of data of our and for moment and the form of
Okay. So, thank you, Jaika. So, Jaika, don't know how to read much. Only a few few simple words. Okay. So, anyway, we will gonna teach you on how to read English. So, you will be on the special class. Okay. So, this time, I would also like to ask multiplication if you already memorized multiplication. Okay. Okay, Jaika, are you ready? Okay. 2 times 8.
16.
Okay. 3 times 7.
1.
Okay. 4 times 2.
8.
Okay. 5 times 5.
25.
Okay. 6 times 6.
36.
Okay. 7 times 6.
42.
Okay, 42. 8 times 3.
34.
24.
24.
Okay, 9 times 6.
54.
54. 9 times 9.
81.
Okay. 8 times 5.
40.
Okay. So, 10 naman to, no? Okay. So, memorize pa, ha? So, memorize hard, study hard, so that you would memorize all the multiplication. Okay? Okay. 감사합니다. 안녕하세요, 폴자렌. Okay, Poljaren is from the special class. So, I will gonna move you to regular class since you already know how to read now. Okay? And when did you start it? Study room. That was December 6. I think that was December 6. You are one of my first student among the 5. So that was December 6, 2022. And you are moved to regular 2022, 2023, 24. So 2 years na. Almost 2 years. So at least you already know how to read na. Okay? So can you please introduce yourself first?
안녕하세요. 저는 일어나살 중학교 6학년
폴자렌입니다. Okay, so kindly read.
Happiness on this good. People want to be happy. Those days, honestly, surround themselves with people who make them happy. There are several things to can do you make others happy. Listening to people makes them feel important. When you listen to them, you are subconsciously telling them that what they say makes a difference. It also fosters.
Okay, Poljaren, thank you. So you will be moved at the regular class, okay?